Welcome to Tea Art and Craft. Today we'll make tulip flowers with pistashells. We don't need glue gun for this. Just take a glue stick which cost around 10 rupees. You can use toothstick or earbuds. We will need around 9 pieces. Just paint this with pink color. I made 8 pieces. Now we'll paint this stick with green color. Now use the ice cream sticks. I'm here using brown colored clay. Now we will make leaf. Just add the leaf. Look how cute it is. We can turn the waste things into a beautiful craft. It can be used as a home decor. Just try. We'll see in another video. Bye bye.